Hi there, welcome to Little Native Chefs. I'm Frankie and I'm so excited to cook with you. Today we are making tortilla pinwheels, 2 different ways. I'm getting hungry by the second. So let's get started. First, slap a tortilla down on your cutting board. That was satisfying. Then, spread some peanut butter on your tortilla. Make sure it's even. Now, drizzle a little bit of honey. And then, the final touches, some granola. Roll up your tortilla like this. And now, we have to cut it into pinwheels, but make sure you ask an adult for help before you do this step. If you're not in the mood for a sweet snack, I got you. Slap that tortilla down. Then, spread some mashed up avocado on it, take your turkey slices and cheese, and add them to your tortilla. And there you have it, 2 delicious snacks in one. Tasty! Don't forget, if you're a kid like me, cooking can be fun, healthy, and delicious. See you next time.